Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokamori SD6, the NGRS model. This one has it was a second-hand build, but it's a top-up from a previous build. So we're going to be taking it from level 3 to level 7. So we've got the Prometheus bearings, we've got the Prometheus gears, we've got the cylinder, so the FPS cylinder, FPS Cylinder Head, FPS piston and FPS Piston Head, and the Firefly Air Nozzle going in. And we've also changed the spring to bring it down ever so slightly, just because with the extra compression there, took it over with the previous spring. So we've now gone down to the one below it, and we're getting 264 on 3.2s, which is a reasonable FPS for 3.2s, and in the UK anyway. So yeah, so we're now just going to demonstrate it working. There we go, so all tested. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise have fun with it. Thank you.